Hello guys, welcome back to another live trading video. So guys, we got our first entry in Ashok Leyland. Our entry price was at 145 exactly at 145 rupees here in this region. Our entry was triggered in this candle, that is 1024 candle is where our entry was triggered. We kept a stop loss here at 145.55 and we are aiming for 1:2 risk reward ratio. 143.95 is where we kept our target. It's slightly a little above 1:2, 1.9 reward actually, because I'll explain why I kept it here instead of 1:2 exactly. After the trade ends, I'll explain everything in detail, so stay tuned guys. So guys, our order has been fulfilled automatically at 3:20. If you have been in intraday trades for a while, you know that the orders will be executed automatically at around 3:20 p.m. So the price was executed at 144.95. It's just 0.05 rupees in profit. You might even consider it as a break-even trade. And today the price was completely sideways. It really tested our patience, and still it didn't even go to a stop loss or the target, and executed right at the break even. And you should be prepared to see these kinds of moves too. But still, I'll explain what was the reason behind this entry so that you can understand my perspective behind the entry of this stock. So guys, when you look at the 1 hour time frame in Ashok Leyland, it's clearly indicating a downtrend, right? So I was looking for selling opportunities, but I wouldn't say this safe trade. It's kind of a risky trade too actually, because this trade was entered based on the lower time frame, or you could also say this as the internal structure, right? So this is an internal structure. This shouldn't be considered as a pure breakout structure in the higher time frame. So I was looking at the internal structure and I saw a clear breakout structure here. There is another breakout structure in this region. Here there was the change of character in between this internal structure. So I was looking for selling opportunity, that I already said it. So as usually, what I did was I draw an order block in the 1 hour time zone, and this region is what I consider as the order block. So when I go to the lower time frame, that is the 1 minute time frame, I usually use this 1 minute time frame for confirmation purposes. So what happened today was the price opened exactly at the region, made a strong down move in the first 1 minute of the candle, and again retraced it, again pushed down, and I was waiting for the break of the first candle low, and this candle gave a confirmation. So what I did was I drew an order block in the 1 minute time frame for our entry purposes, and this region can be considered as our 1 minute order block, and this is where I kept my entry. As I already mentioned you, 145 was our entry price, and I kept my stop loss a little above this region, can be considered as your previous swing, and 145.55 is where we kept our stop loss, and we were expecting for a 1:2 risk reward ratio. Actually, it's more like 1:1.9 risk reward ratio. As I said already, here I was seeing some good support in this region in the 1 hour time frame. The reason why I kept it to 1:1.9 instead of 1:2 was there was some support in this region, some good level of support in the 1 hour time frame. That is the reason I kept it above. But unfortunately, as you can see here, it was facing a strong support in this region, and it mostly stayed sideways today. And after waiting for the whole trading hours, our position was closed automatically at 3:20. Because if you have been into intraday trading for a while, you already know that if you haven't closed your intraday positions before 3:20, it automatically gets filled at 3:20, and that is what happened today. It was filled at 144.95. Our entry was 145. So we got a 5 paisa profit for one share, and if we calculate the brokerage and other charges, it is more likely a break-even trade. I would consider it as a break-even. I would say this was a risky trade, but our position size was rather low today, so I thought why not opt in for it. But the price managed to stay sideways for the whole day, and we are closing with a break even. So I guess that's it for today's video. Hope this video was useful. You were able to learn some new information. If so, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.